about 2 inches, and there's a lot more than that. Kind of tell there's quite a bit. We actually put all the heifers on the opposite side of the bunk, so they're supposed to be in the actual feedlot, but we put them back in here because they'll be right along the trees and they'll have a nice drier spot to lay than in the wet feedlot. Cycle of heifers here. Now we're by the shed and its other pens, and he's gonna scrape it off, scrape this little square pen off, and then gonna bed out one of those bales so they can have a nice place to have a calf. So when we see one coming in from over there, we can chuck her over here, or we can put her in the shed, and then we'll have no place to throw them in a snowbank. So the calf should live. So the storm would be a lot worse if it was really cold, but it's about 20 to 30 degrees. So it ain't very cold, but there's just a lot of snow, and it's gonna make it really muddy. So we're just trying to get that snow off of the lots. These are our heifers that haven't came in yet. I think there's about 11 of them. We only got one calf so far, which is in the far pen. I don't know if you can see her, but so we haven't started too fast, but it should pick up pretty soon here. We're gonna wait till tomorrow to bed that square pen just to let the ground freeze up. It's still pretty soft, so once it freezes up, it'll be a lot better for the calves and cows. Well, it's next morning. It's still blowing really hard, which makes it feel a lot colder than it actually is, but we just gave our second cycle of heifers here a little bit of silage. Well, we're just doing chores here quick, and then we're gonna go bed that square pen I was talking about yesterday. It should have froze the top of that pretty good last night, so it'll make a nice place to put the bedding down. He's going to bed that square pen, but I gotta go to school, so hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the next one.